How to remove wallet from menu on Telegram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to remove wallet from menu on Telegram. To do it so, you just have to follow the simple steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is go ahead and log into your Telegram account. When you're logged in, that will take you to the home page. That's gonna look something like this. Now while you're on this page, what you need to do is tap the try bar icon from the top right hand side corner, after which you could see the wallet section. Press that. Once you click on the wallet section, you will be taken to this page where you need to tap the three dot icon in order to reveal the drop down menu. Once you've done it so, click on the option that says remove from menu. If you're sure about it, go ahead and tap on the OK button. And once you've actually done it so, it has been removed. Now if you go ahead and tap on the try bar icon here, you could see this is how it has been removed. Now that's the way you could go ahead and remove your wallet from the menu or from your Telegram account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.